Electric bills are skyrocketing and more people are going solar to save money. But stop! Before you sign anything, you need to know the 5 biggest mistakes homeowners make. Mistakes that could cost you thousands or have you stuck with a bad system for decades. I've seen people overpay by $10,000 or more, get locked into terrible contracts, and even lose their entire investment because of some simple mistake. Don't let that be you. I have helped hundreds of homeowners go solar the right way. And today I'm going to be breaking down the top 5 solar mistakes you must avoid and how to make sure you get solar at the best price. Watch till the end because I'm also going to share a bonus tip that could save you the most. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong solar company. Not all solar installers are created equal. Some homeowners get scammed with overpriced systems, misleading contracts, and poor installations. Look for these red flags when you're choosing a solar company. No real customer reviews or complaints on Better Business Bureau. Overpromising savings or solar energy production. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Limited or no information on the solar panels, inverters, specifications, warranties, etc. Pushy sales tactics. A legit company won't force you to sign. A pro tip: always compare at least 3 quotes. Check online reviews. Check how long your company has been in business. This is the most important one. 10 years or more is your best option. Mistake number 2, getting an undersized system. A system that's too small won't eliminate your electric bill. Some companies lowball the system size to make it look cheap. But then you still pay the utility company every month after going solar. How do you avoid this mistake? Calculate your energy needs, not just a rough guess. Ask your utility company. Tip: most utility companies do not allow oversizing of your solar system. They only allow your system to generate up to 100% of your usage. There is a workaround. If you're interested, email me, solar@mysolarhome.us. I can help you get a larger system. Mistake number 3, not understanding net metering. Some homeowners don't realize that net metering policies change by state. Net metering is a billing arrangement that allows homeowners with solar panels to send excess electricity they generate back to the utility grid. In return, they receive credits that offset the electricity they draw from the grid when the solar system isn't producing enough, like at night or during cloudy days. The key points you need to know: does your state offer full net metering? If not, excess energy might not be credited at full value. Solar might not work for you. Utility companies can change rates. You might need to store extra energy in a battery. For example, California, Texas, Illinois, Hawaii, and Arizona do not have true net metering, and you have to buy a battery to take full advantage of solar power in these states. Mistake number 4, leasing instead of buying. This is a mistake sometimes, not always. Leases sound attractive with zero down, but they often lock you into long contracts with increasing rates. Leasing makes sense if you can't claim tax credits or if you don't plan to stay very long in your home. A lease is good. Now, if the lease does not have an increasing rate clause, usually called a 0% escalator, that is the best kind of lease to go for. An alternative to lease is financing your system with a low interest rate loan, give you the highest ROI. Mistake number 5, not future-proofing your solar system. Homeowners sometimes install solar without thinking ahead. Then they regret it when they buy an EV or they suddenly need more power. Or they install a battery later and realize they should have got a hybrid inverter. Upgrading their HVAC and suddenly they don't have enough solar to support it. Solution is, if possible, install slightly more solar capacity now instead of upgrading later at a much higher cost. And my bonus tip at the end: do not make the mistake of not going solar at all. Every year you wait, you lose out on tax credits, you lose out on incentives and savings. Let me give you a quick calculation. If your bill is $150 a month today, you'll pay about $18,000 over the next 10 years. A solar system can wipe that cost away in 7 to 10 years, and then you will have free power for life. Get a quote today, compare options, and start saving today. If you want to stop overpaying for electricity forever, let me see if your home qualifies for those solar savings. Click on the link in the description below to get a free solar savings estimate. It'll just take 30 seconds. I will personally review your options and connect you with the best solar deals in your area. If solar makes sense for you, you could lock in lower energy costs today with zero upfront investments. Spots are limited for the best rebates and incentives, so don't wait. Check your savings now. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. I reply to every single one of them. And before you go, I'd like you to like and subscribe for more energy saving hacks. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you never miss a tip that could save you thousands. Have a nice day. Till the next time.